Hello, this is a quick video to help us understand how to upload an Excel file into your database. So we start by opening the databases, expand the database, select the database you want to upload into. We want to upload customer sales Excel file into this database. We want to upload a table. So you right click on the table, scroll down to task, scroll to the right, then click on import data towards the end, import data. Then the pop-up wizard, import export pop-up wizard comes up. You click on next, then you select your data source. Your data source is an Excel file. So you scroll down till you find Microsoft Excel, click on Microsoft Excel. Then you are prompted also to impute the location of your Excel file. So you click on browse, identify where the file is. The file is customer sales. Double click it. As you can see, this has a .xlsx file format. This is the latest version of Excel. And the Excel version here automatically detected is 2007 to 2010. So you can go with this. But in some cases where this does not work, you'd have to pick 97 2003 and you have to resave your Excel file as a .xlx. That's the old version of Excel. You have to resave your file as a .xlx. If this doesn't work, then you use the 97 to 2003 option. So now we click on next and see if it goes. Okay, that's gone through. So we have to identify the destination. So you click on this drop-down menu and you scroll down. Typically, we should have used SQL Server native client, but for some newer versions of SQL Server, this would not be available. So you might have to use the Microsoft OLEDB provider for SQL Server. So double click on this. So that's gone through. So it's now asking you to confirm your server name. This is our server. And for you to choose the authentication you want to use. So we are using Windows authentication. So we go ahead with that. Then here you're also able to confirm the database you are in. So this is the February class database, which is what we want. So we leave it as it is. Then we click on next. So here we have to specify whether we have to copy the entire table or to write a query. So what we want to do is copy the table into that database. So we click on next. So here we have to select the exact thing we want to copy. So what we want to copy is this customer sales table. So we click on it here. And as you can see, the schema name is showing dbo.customersales with a $sign. This is a system generated information. So all you need to do is just carefully remove that $sign. So it gives it a normal English name, customer sales. So you've done that, click on next. So here we have to choose to decide if you are saving the package as an SSIS package or you want to run it immediately. So we go with run immediately and we click on next. So here you are given a summary of all the options you've taken. And if you're okay with it, you click on finish. So that's it done. And SSMS is uploading the data, the table into our database. So as you can see, 9,567 rows have been loaded into our database. So we close this to finish up the whole process. Then we go to our database to see if the table is already reflecting in our, if the table is already reflecting in our database. So the table is expanding. Can you see we have the dbo.customersales already in our database? Yippee, we've done it. And just in case you are not seeing your table here, you can just right click on the database and click on refresh. So if it wasn't there before, it will be uploaded. Thank you very much for listening.